Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the gaming headphones from Raycon. It was very cool to see these prototypes at CES 2022. I talked to the director of product for a good half hour about the headphones and what they'll have to offer, but here they are in real life. We'll show you the actual headphones in just a moment. They do have lighting that goes all the way around the outside and a retractable microphone. It has Bluetooth mode. It has 2.4 gigahertz wireless mode that connects to this lossless USB adapter. That is this adapter right here. Has the button to connect. Some of the connectors from other companies are 3 times the size, so this is pretty small, which I like. You have an immersive haptic vibration experience, which I have tried out a few times, and definitely it's immersive. I have never felt this much bass and haptic feedback from a pair of headphones before, and I've tried out headphones from standard headphones all the way up to headphones that had planar magnetic technology built in. It has spatial audio, and it has, like I said, the retractable HD microphone. So here are the headphones right here. Here is the retractable microphone, which is interesting. You can adjust it however you want, and then it just goes right back into place like that. All of the ports right here on the bottom, it's a USB-C. You have the 3.5mm jack. You have the volume haptic adjustment right here, and you have the microphone off right there, so it'll tell you that the microphone is off, will not be recording. And then on this side you have several buttons, like the on button, so we'll turn it on. And then you can also change the lighting mode, and this is for play and stop. As you can see, there are the lights right there, and they're on both ear cups like that. We'll show you some more details of the headphones right here. You can go ahead and pause this anytime to take a look, but the details will be in the description, basically outlining everything that I've shown you with the headphones. So we'll go back to that. So it has the badging right there. It has microphones on the outside. Like this, has different sound profiles, and you can adjust the sound profiles with this button right here. And then you can turn the lighting off if you don't want it. You can also turn the haptic feedback on and off as well. And then you can turn the earbuds off like that. Very nice cushions on the outside. I've worn these for many hours at a time. Always comfortable to wear. They work with Android, iPhone, PC, Mac as well. And the headband right here, also a nice cushion. And then these fully adjust like that, so you can dial in just the amount of adjustment that you want. Definitely a solid piece. I'm moving them like that, no problem. These might be a little difficult to get off their website because they were sold out the last time I checked. The price point is excellent, and they have a lot of features for what they charge for these headphones. These are from Raycon. Here's some additional details. These are the gaming headphones. They also have the gaming earbuds, which I've shown before. And I like that it comes with the braided 3.5mm corded cord right there. You have the recharge cable, USB-C to USB-A, and the lossless USB adapter with the pairing button right there. And this is about 1/3 the size of normal lossless adapters for types of headphones that have that function. This works with the Switch, Xbox, VR, PC, Mac, mobile phones, PS4, and PS5. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.